The RadSwan clip-ins are here, and this is RadClip number 1. It matches perfectly with my hair. It comes in different lengths, and you can easily volumize it by finger combing. So let's get into the prep work. I'm starting off with a fresh wash and go, and when I'm done, I'm going to start with the application process. The process is really simple. All you do is pop out the combs, apply it to your hair, and then clip them back in. It's really easy and straightforward, and the combs are nice and secure. And what you'll notice is that I'm using different lengths for different parts of my hair because I'm trying to cover a certain amount of surface area. So depending on your desired style, you can go ahead and use whichever length is best for you. Now that the application process is done, I'm going to blend my natural hair in with the clip-ins, as well as trim these clip-ins so that I get my desired shape. And voila, here is the final result. It looks so natural, it blends in perfectly, and nobody can tell me that this is not my hair.